Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another cocktail video. So today, just to show you, got the professional gear out, got me cocktail shaker and me cocktail shaker kit, because today we are going to be doing a professional cocktail. We're doing sex on the beach. Bit dangerous. I need how to do it on Doggers Beach. Might get sand up your arse. Be careful about that, guys. The sandy arse isn't very nice. Anyway, so what you need for sex on the beach, of course, bottle of cranberry juice, carton of orange juice. Now you can use a carton or you can do freshly squeezed orange juice, bottle of schnapps, peach schnapps to be in fact, and a bottle of vodka, as well as some oranges to use as a garnish, and of course glass full of ice, which I'll put aside so it don't melt. So first off, I'm going to start by filling my cocktail shaker with me liqueurs, with me vodka. God, I can't get the lid off. Okay, so basically take the lid off your shaker. You can use a jug if you want, but I much prefer using a cocktail shaker. Then you're going to start off by adding some vodka to it. That should be enough vodka. Put that to one side. Then next up, add your schnapps, your peach schnapps. Absolutely love peach schnapps, great drink. Gonna add some of that to the mixture. That should be enough. Put the lid back on just so it don't go off. Try to do this a bit quick as well, guys, so the ice don't blooming melt. Then we're going to add the orange juice. I'll do that off camera. That should be enough orange juice. Put that to the side. Bit of cranberry juice going to it now. What do you think of these new lids, guys? Really is annoying. Pour your cranberry juice back in. Put lid back on that. Now put your lid back onto your cocktail shaker and just make sure it is securely fastened, ready for shaking, and just give it a nice little shake. I am so worried that the lid's going to fly off booze all over the camera, booze all over myself, and make an embarrassment. Okay, so that should be enough shaking. Gonna get me cocktail glass. Now, I only just learnt this recently. Take off this small lid. See that, guys? You got a little strainer. Now what you want to do is just strain the cocktail into the glass. Okay. Now to finish it off, garnish it with a orange. I'll find one that's been pre-sliced to add to the garnish, just like so. Make it look even nicer. Going to add a cocktail umbrella. Now I've only just relearned how to do these, guys. So yeah. Put that one off. Yeah. Getting dirty, me. Then, if I remember rightly, you slide this up. Okay, so that I can't remember how to do these. I think you're meant to push that up and push the rubber band up with it as well, like so. Then just maybe stick that in the orange if it'll fit. Come on, I'm trying not to spill stuff. Reopen the cocktail bottle umbrella, stick it in the orange like so. Get a straw of any colour, and time for a taste test. Can't wait to try it. Quite nice actually. Very refreshing on a cool summer's day. Now, what we're going to do is get Mad Mike out to come try it with me as well. So stay tuned.
Okay then. Are we on, Marcus?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what have we got today then, Marcus?
Sex on the beach cocktail.
Whoa.
You might get a bit of a sandy arse.
Here we go, guys.
And still got more.
Cheers, guys.
Alright,
Let's give it a try.
beat a guinea pig, watch him spit it out. Hang on.
That's quite good. Quite strong that as well, Marcus.
Yeah, I think I may have put a drop too much vodka in that.
You don't put too much vodka in, mate. Yeah, it looks good.
I think it is meant to be a bit more of an orangey colour, but who cares? Homemade cocktail, you can't always perfect it on the first time, can
Really
you,
nice.
guys?
Little schnapps maybe.
Ah.
Have they? I'm not expert on it, mate.
Okay guys, thanks for watching today's cocktail vid. Hope you enjoyed. Let us know if you've tried to make any of the cocktails we've done so far at home. As always, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. Adios.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.